This robot vacuum and mop cleaner can change its mop pads depending on the specific floors and rooms that it's cleaning. Oh, this is the future, baby. Let's get into it. Yo, what up, squad? So at CES 2026, man, there was a lot of robotic things on the floor, but the one thing, man, that stood out to me the most, which was the MOVA Mobius 60, which was cool that I actually got a chance to see it do its thing in action, in person, along with a bunch of other categories that MOVA is doing in the tech home space that I personally like to see. But again, robot vacuums, y'all, they are everywhere, but very few actually feel next gen in my opinion. And this one by far was the coolest one that I actually got the chance to see. Now this right here, y'all, is the MOVA Mobius 60, and it is all about AI driven cleaning without babysitting. First thing is where I feel that Mobius 60 starts to separate itself from others in the market. So instead of treating your whole home the same, the Mobius 60 uses AI zone custom cleaning, meaning it understands different rooms, surfaces, as well as mess types and adjusts automatically. And the most standout feature has to be that automatic mop switching hub, so the robot can switch between cleaning modes all on its own. So you're not manually changing pads or settings depending on whether it's vacuuming or whether it's mopping, which to me is by far one of the dopest features that I have seen on a robot vacuum to date. And it is so smooth too on how it just goes in, switches it, and then rolls back out. But I'm telling y'all, so fire, bro. Now, when it comes to the most robot vacs, right, they get stuck on the most simplest things like door thresholds, rugs, and random transitions. The Mobius 60 uses obstacle crossing 2.0 that allows it to confidently climb over higher thresholds and uneven surfaces without stopping or needing rescue. That means smoother navigation across things like room dividers, thick rugs, and even transitions between floor types. It just keeps on moving, y'all. Now, the next thing we got to talk about is that crazy high 30,000 PA suction power plus smart suction boost. Now the Mobius 60 delivers on a high amount of suction power, which absolutely puts it in its flagship territory as well as the conversation. But what really matters to me, y'all, and what I feel like makes it smart is that suction boost. So when it runs, it doesn't run at full max power all the time. Instead, it automatically increases suction when it detects heavier debris on your floor or when it detects carpet. Then when it's done in that area, it just dials back the power a little bit to be able to save on energy when it doesn't need it anymore. It's strong when it matters and efficient when it doesn't. Now, if you guys out there are somebody that's like me who has pets within their home, or you might have a person within your home that has long hair, then it has a Tangle-free dual brush system that is designed to be able to reduce hair wrap and keep debris flowing directly into the dustbin and not wrapped around the brush like some robot vacuum cleaners that are out there. This means less maintenance and fewer cleanups under the robot and more consistent performance over time. Now, when it comes to mopping, right, because you know we got to talk about this when it comes to the Mobius 60, it gets smart again. It uses intelligent lift control, so that way the mop auto raises when it detects carpets, keeping rugs dry without needing any type of no-go zones to be able to set within the app. Now in my home here, I don't personally have carpet, so I can't necessarily demonstrate this feature, but at the same time, you get high pressure mop control on hard floors, meaning it's not just wiping, it's actually scrubbing, which is good for my floors. Now, we gotta talk about the corners as well as edges, because this is where I feel like a lot of robots just fall short in my opinion. Now the Mobius 60, y'all, is built for edge-to-edge cleaning, allowing it to be able to get closer to those walls as well as corners, so that way debris doesn't build up where, you know, you typically notice it the most. This is the kind of detail that separates good enough from actually clean. Now let's go ahead and talk about the base, because this is where I feel the hands-free part really kind of kicks in. Now the Mobius 60 features all-in-one maintenance-free care for handling things like self-cleaning, mop maintenance, and day-to-day upkeep. Now with the Mobius 60, you're not having to just empty out bins every run or washing pads constantly. You just let the system handle all of it for you, and you just step in when it actually needs your attention. Now another smart touch is the dual cleaning solution tanks that just allows the system to be able to manage cleaning fluids more intelligently, basically ensuring that the right solution is being used for the right task without mixing or overusing anything, which in turn gives you cleaner floors, less waste, and more consistency across your entire home. So here's my thoughts from just seeing everything that I've seen from MOVA at CES and just experiencing it even at my own personal home here, that the MOVA Mobius 60 isn't just powerful, right? It's adaptive. It actually thinks about what surface it's on, what mess it's dealing with, and what cleaning method actually makes sense. So if you guys out there, man, want a robot vacuum that feels like it's making decisions for you and not asking you to manage it, this one right here, man, I feel like deserves a serious look. Major shout out to my friends over at MOVA for sponsoring today's video and letting me get hands-on experience with it at CES, while also checking out a lot of other dope products that MOVA had that I honestly had no idea that they were coming out with or that they had, because they had so many other different products, from personal products, from pool cleaners to robot lawnmowers, and just a bunch of other things that I cannot wait to work with MOVA on and get my hands on. So I'll see y'all in the next one, man. CES was dope. Squad, we out.